using master slides can be very efficient for you to start like working on different versions of the UI without having to do too many changes several times. So let's say I know that whatever I'm going to do in the UI, this is going to be a standard in each screen. So I'm going to copy this without the follow button, and I'm going to go to the document properties, the format properties with the slide selected, and I'm going to edit the master slide. And I'm going to duplicate the blank slide, and I'm just going to paste this here. I'm going to call this profile master. I'm going to press done. And now, as you can see, this is here because it has the master slide blank. It's not showing it. What I can do is I'm actually delete all these guys here, and this is blank. And I'm going to change the master to this one. So this one is actually part of the master, and then I can start creating new slides using this master slide and adding more things here. But the nice thing is, let's say I want to bring back my face in this prototype. This one is not using the same prototype, the same master. I'm going to delete everything here, change the master, and then delete things here, change master. So now all these slides are sharing the same master slide. Let's delete this one because it's empty now. So let's say I want to change this guy's picture back to mine. Instead of having to go and change it in every slide, I'm going to just double click this, edit the master, delete this one, paste my picture, and done. And instantly you're going to see that my image is back on every screen. Let's say I also realized that, oh, I forgot to put my name here. Maybe I should make these guys smaller and put my name on top of them. So I'm going to double click, edit master slide, and I maybe move my image a little bit to the top, select all these guys, select these ones and make the font a little smaller in the text area. Actually, let's resize them all at once so that I don't have to do this exercise multiple times. So I'll put this here, this one next to it. Maybe they make these two guys a little bigger. Looks good. Maybe bold. And I need to put my name, so I'm gonna put it here. Amir Hella, left justified, and alright, looks good. I'm gonna press done, and I'm finding out out of alignment, so I'm gonna edit it again. Grab these two guys. There you go. Align centers here. Looks good. Maybe putting a little bit of background around it, so I'm going to create a rounded rectangle here. And I'm going to choose like a subtle color instead of something very vibrant. I'm going to push it to the back. And I'm going to select everything and make it go a little bit here, then done. And as you can see, it's in every screen. Let's say because the follow button is not inside this, I'm gonna select it, copy it, go inside the master slide, paste it here, make sure this is big enough to contain it, and then actually delete it because it's a different button in different slides. I'm gonna press OK, and now the follow button is here. I'm just gonna move it a little bit to align the centers of the follow button with this, and I'm done. I changed the background in every slide because I changed the master slide. If I want to go and change the color, I want to make this text white, and I'm going to make this light blue. It's gonna look really awful on with the green button on top of it, but it's just for our experiment. Or make it yellow, not bad, and press done. And again, because I changed it in the master slide, it's reflected in every other slide.